This particular plaza is pretty new. I would say about maybe a year since they really started to add all the different shops. About maybe 2 years construction.
Famous Korean hot dog.
Yes, Korean hot dog here, which is located in Chinatown, is that there's always a line out the door. What makes it unique is it's technically a corn dog. It's a hot dog on a stick with some breading, like a donut-like coating on the outside. You put sugar on it too. I know it sounds weird, but it's delicious. So yeah, I remember when this place first opened up, I was concerned it wasn't going to survive because like no one was coming, but now it's packed. There's lines out the door, people waiting outside for all sorts of things. This one is for their soft serve ice cream, which is, I mean, it's really, really good. It's really delicious. And what's cool about this place is you get your ice cream and you can come and sit over here in their little area. Look at that. Oh, that looks delicious. Delicious. You just come sit over here and eat your ice cream. It's almost like a little stage. Very cool. It smells so delicious in there.
No, but I never understood it, so...
Now, Chinatown out here in Las Vegas is I'll just give you a top view here of the second floor. But I would say Chinatown here is about a half a mile long, where it's just packed with all sorts of shops and restaurants. And there are 3 main plazas that are pretty much just all across the street from each other. So if you come to the center part here,
Very nice view.
it's just, well, don't look at this side. The view on this side, not so nice. But just come take a look how packed it is out here. And by the way, this is a great dessert place if you want to. You will never know. It's called SWEETHONEY Dessert. It's on the second floor. But now it's packed. And I have to say, per square restaurant, you can't say that, but like just per square block out here, this one has the most densely packed number of just great places to eat. Maybe the Korean section.
Mostly Koreans here.
Yeah, because they have Korean stores like Minisu and a barbecue chicken place right next door to it. This place is great. This is one of our favorite places. We come here pretty much every time we are in Chinatown. They have fresh bakeries. And it's the Chinese style bakery here. So it's lots of breads and sweet desserts. The Chinese sweet desserts are a lot less sweet than American desserts. And the cakes here, I love them. So fluffy, so light, so delicious. Very rare for this line to not exist. I think it's because it's dinner time and everyone's out eating right now. This is one of my favorite bubble tea places here, SHARETEA, which is a famous chain now. This is very Japanese style, where they show you what the food looks like, but it's plastic. There's a whole art to this, actually, making food look like plastic.
SHARETEA.
This place is called Shanghai Plaza.